core strength, my God. Wow. That is, oh, that's awesome. All right, buddy. I'm here with my friend Aranya. This is DrJason Active Health TV. This is Aranya. Aranya is a capoeirista from Bahia, Brazil, Salvador, Bahia. That's where capoeira originated. And he's very, very strong. You know, this guy, I admire this guy. And, you know, he's here. And tell us about your experience with chiropractic.
Yes, chiropractic is very nice because I'm flexible already. I do a lot of stuff, but since that I started, I've been to getting just I feel my body much better, help me a lot.
Yeah, that's awesome, man.
Yes.
Thank you for allowing me to work with you.
Okay.
That's good.
Can you adjust me a little now?
Yeah, let's do something. Have a seat here. Yeah.
Oh, thanks, man.
Yeah. Okay, sit back here. All right, we're going to take a big deep breath. And out. Head all the way over. All right, how'd that feel?
It's good.
Feels good? All right, let's take a look at the low back here. Why don't you lay on your side?
Okay.
De lado direito. Okay, comigo. In Brazil, we speak Portuguese. So he's my capoeira instructor, my Portuguese instructor, and his chiropractor. So we have a good team.
Yes, that's perfect.
He's also my trapeze instructor. Okay, flying trapeze. So I'm going to adjust your low back. Respira. Salta. Relaxa aqui. Alright. How's it feel?
Good.
Alright. Okay, so you've been getting adjusted. You feel more flexible. Maybe you could show us something a little bit here.
Yes, I'm going to show you.
Alright, let me get out of the way here. Alright. Aranya, Capoeira, Chiropractic, DrJason Active Health TV.